Hello friends, I have a very special unboxing I wanted to share with you today. I received a package from Betina of Oak by Betina. I saw her create this and I knew I had to have it for my favorite artist wall. And Tom and I already know where we're going to put it. So this is my first time seeing it in person, and I wanted to share it with you. So, it's a big box. Check this box out. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to get it out. I tell you what, she makes some beautiful boxes. There wasn't a flaw on it. She put a couple together, and man, oh man, so much better than the if it ships, it fits priority boxes. I've had so much trouble with those coming dented and, well, you name it. And some of you might know my pain. Okay, this one is a biggie. Okay, check it out. Oh, you are awesome, Betty. What a beautiful wrapping. Okay. Let me just bring this down so you can see better what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay. Oh, and she even put her ribbon. Oh, look how sweet that is. I tell you what, she does everything first class all the way. If you haven't checked her channel out, I do hope that you will, because her art is extraordinary. All right, let's see if I can get this off. There we go. No painting was destroyed in the making of this video. Oh, goodness. I just can't wait to see this in person. She's been doing some absolutely extraordinary texture art. Please check her out and subscribe to her channel. You will never be disappointed. Okay, I think I might need some scissors here. And I got a little card. I love it. She's adorable. Thank you. Thank you for making a new home for this painting. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Take good care and keep spreading your sparkle. Love, Betty. Thanks, honey. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. I don't think I've ever seen anything packed so amazingly, other than Tazlima Maya Art. Yeah, she does an amazing job as well with her packaging, and I am so privileged to own some of her amazing pieces as well. We have a hallway that's about 25 feet. And on one side, it's like all wall. So I think I've lost count. But that's where I hang pieces of art that I get from some of my favorite artists. And I've been collecting art from different artists for the last 3 years. And so each one has a group of their stuff, and then I have a little name plaque there. Oh my gosh. Oh, gosh almighty. It is so much more extraordinary in person. Check this out. Oh, heavens. And it is on wood. And one of the other amazing things about this, she built her own frame. And you can see that on the video. Oh my gosh. Look how she painted the edges. Oh. Look at this. Look at this extraordinary piece. And it's all texture. Please go and watch how she created this, because watching is every bit as exciting as the final project and me seeing it in person. And I think where I'm going to put it, I don't know. I think I'll hang it this way, but it all depends. I got two different places that I'm thinking of. But look at the work on this. This lighting isn't the best, so you really need to go and check it out. Betty, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so excited to have this in our home, and it's very southwest for me, and living in Arizona, those are the colors we use. So I really appreciate you. I appreciate knowing you. I met you at PourCon last year, and it has just been a wonderful journey getting to know you and watching your videos. I love you, darling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is exquisite, as are you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please go and check her out. She's amazing. Keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Bye-bye.